Hey everybody, Joe Casabona here, and recently I launched my master full site editing course. It's getting a lot of great feedback and suggestions for the next round of revisions, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what you'll get if you purchase master full site editing. So this is one of the lessons I'm releasing to you completely for free. Check it out, and if you like it, you can sign up for the full course over at masterfse.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more WordPress, block editor, and full site editing tips, and hopefully I'll see you in the course. Okay, now before we dive into the Gutenberg plugin, let's take a look at what is available presently in Core. We already saw some of these full site editing features like blocks in the widget areas, and we saw some of the site template blocks like the site title and the site logo, as well as the query loop and post template block. So those are part of full site editing in the sense that we can modify the loop without writing any code. But I'm choosing to show you this on the Hey Leonardo site because Excel has the other major part of full site editing enabled, and that's page templates. So let's go to Pages, Add New. And you can see that there is a template section that you won't find in 2021, the default theme. Now there are a few page templates here for us to choose from: default template, blank canvas with menu, blank canvas, and no title template. However, there's also a button here that says new, and this will allow us to create our own page template. So let's say that we want to make a page template that automatically displays some of Leonardo's work across the top. We can call this the works template. I guess we don't need to add template. That will be implied. So we'll create, and we get this welcome screen. Welcome to the template editor. Templates express the layout of the site. Customize all aspects of your posts and pages using the tools of blocks and patterns. So this is what we're working with right off the bat. We have our site title, our site tagline, a separator. We don't have a menu though. So let's go ahead and fix some of that. First, let's get rid of the title. We're going to want this to be a totally blank canvas. We might want to keep the title of the site. We can get rid of the tagline. And let's reduce the size of this headline as well. So I'll click the cog icon, and we're going to set this to large, which is smaller than the default H2. And on the other side, we're just going to add a button that takes us home. So we'll add text here, home. We will set this to outline. We actually want this to take up kind of as little space as possible. We'll set the font size to small, and we need to set the link to the front page or home page maybe. All right, we will justify items to the right. And so now we have a home button and the title. Right above that, we're going to add a gallery. The gallery will be full width, and we'll select some of Leonardo's works. So let's pick his picture and the Mona Lisa. We'll choose the announcement and the Last Supper. And let's do one of his sketches for good measure. We'll insert that gallery. We'll make it 5 columns. They'll be cropped. And so there is a little bit of padding across the top here. But this is all that we're going to have here on the the works template. Maybe we want to add something else here. So we have some block patterns, but one thing that perhaps we should have done was create a reusable block out of the see his early works. So why don't we go ahead and do that now? I'm just going to click publish on this. We haven't given this page a title. That's okay because it's a template. We'll click save and then we'll go back. So we'll actually go all the way back and we'll go to the welcome page. We'll scroll all the way down, see his early works. We'll add to reusable blocks, call this early work, and then we'll update, and then we'll go back. So let's create that new page again. We want to use works. We can edit this one. So we'll click edit, and then we will insert our early work reusable block, and then we'll publish this template again. So now when we go back, we can add a title, and let's just call this the Da Vinci exhibit. Maybe there's some big event coming to the Uffizi. So we'll add date, August 6th, 2025. Price, $19. Location, and then the Uffizi. And then let's just make a button that says register today. We won't add a real link here since we don't have a registration link. And then we'll click publish. And then when we go and view this page, you can see we've got his works across the top. We've got a basic header. And then we have the event information and the block template. So now we can use this page template for any page we want. That's really the bulk of what's included in WordPress core at the time of this recording. Now, in future videos and further videos, we're going to enable the Gutenberg plugin and see what else we can do with full site editing.